Come test drive the 2015 Tahoe. Tahoe has been the best-selling sports utility vehicle, accounting annually for more than 25% of all full-size SUV registrations in the United States, and is priced below $50,000. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, heated seats, power sunroof, power liftgate, power passenger seat, navigation system, dual airbags, air conditioning, heated rear seats, power steering. Your new ride is just a phone call away.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.